If you decide to explore abstract blockchain and decide to interact or mint NFTs or do anything on abstract blockchain that was just recently released, you will need Ethereum on the abstract chain to interact with the blockchain or purchase something or mint any NFTs. So to do that, we'll need to bridge Ethereum from any chain to Ethereum on the abstract. So for this video tutorial, I'm going to be using Jumper as one of the cheapest and fastest bridges between different chains, and it has many different chains. So you can use BSC or any other, but for this video I'm going to be using Ethereum on Binance chain. So first thing we need to do over here, we just need to connect our MetaMask wallet, and then this is gonna appear. Just connect, press next, and then confirm. Okay, once this is connected, right here we need to choose what are we gonna be sending from to. So in here I'm gonna choose base and then Ethereum because this is what I have, and then select token. I'm gonna choose abstract, you can see right here, and then I'm gonna use Ethereum. And then in here we need to set up max, so I can just put max. This is gonna give us like 12. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change it to a little less, and then it's gonna give us option which one would you like to use. So I'm gonna choose the best return, the cheapest one, and it's gonna show you how long it's gonna take. In this case, it's gonna take 8 minutes, and it's gonna require 3 cents to do that. Then what you do, you press on review bridge, and then it's gonna show you exactly how it's gonna perform, and then start bridging. MetaMask pop-up is gonna appear, basically gonna tell you what is it going to do, and then how much you'll pay estimated gas fees, and then press on confirm. And at this time we're just gonna wait. That's it. I didn't even have to wait that long. Now it says bridge successful, and now press on done. Now we can go back to our MetaMask wallet and then switch from base to abstract. Right here, scroll down, abstract. And that's it. As you can see, I receive almost $12 of Ethereum on the abstract chain. And this is pretty much it. That's how easy it is to bridge Ethereum from any chain to abstract chain. And now you can use to mint NFTs or interact with any dApp chains on abstract blockchain. Link to Jumper I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.